Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a custom pool home with an RV garage. It just fell out of escrow with a new price. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 2337 Clark Court. This one actually just came back on the market and has a price reduction, currently listed at 1.275. It's in a nice north side area in a cul-de-sac, full paver drive. It's a vacant lot across the street for sale. So this one is being used as a successful vacation rental. So we're just trying to squeeze in here before it's rented. So this one sits on a pretty big lot, 15,769 square feet. I was actually in this house about a week ago with clients. They did a really good job of doing all the little things that you don't really notice. This place is set up real nice for a vacation rental. Front courtyard, nice 8-foot interior door. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath pool home built in 2020, 2,560 square feet. Again, just listed and fell out and has a price reduction to 1.275. So this one's all custom. Currently being used as a vacation rental, has dual master suites. So it has real nice tile work, integrated speakers, tall ceilings, 8-foot interior doors, integrated sound everywhere. They have a lot of automation going on with this house as well, so you can control everything from your phone. So this house can be sold totally furnished, turnkey. It's got a nice double slider out to the pool area. Little dining area with a big window so you can see the pool. Nice open living area and kitchen, can lights everywhere. Real nice quartz counters and backsplash, soft touch closed cabinets. That takes you out to the garage. So you have the master off of the living room. This door right here is just a little closet, has some stereo stuff in there. So you have your master suite, real nice ceilings, can lights, real nice size. They did all the trowel down walls and ceilings, 4-inch baseboards. Again, it has interior 8-foot doors. So you have a huge master bath with dual sinks, skylight, has can lights. That's like a solar tube. Toilet has its own door, real nice walk-in shower with tile and stonework all the way up to the wall. Has a rain head, 2 can lights. Got a big walk-in closet with an owner's closet. You got a little owner's closet that's part of the master walk-in. Real nice quartz counters in here as well. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. All right, so we're back in the entry and you have another guest bedroom. Side of the front of the house. Can light, ceiling fan. Has a little walk-in closet. So you have garage access and a laundry room there. We'll check out in a minute. And then you have a hallway down to the other bathrooms and bedrooms. So you have a guest bath. First thing you run into off the hall. Real nice quartz counters in here as well. Got slider closet with glass doors. Another bathroom, so this is like a junior master suite setup. Tall ceilings, another solar tube in here. Real nice shower tile work. Glass doors. This one's set up with bunk beds. It's all about sleeping as many people as possible and having the amenities if you want a successful vacation rental out here. You have another little owner's closet. There's actually one in the hall too, we just passed. And then you have your indoor laundry, all the same cabinets and quartz counters, and most importantly, your ice maker. All right, so you have your 2-car garage. It's 39.5 feet deep, 9-foot doors, 21 feet wide. It is insulated. It looks like it's pre-wired for a mini split. You have your RO, water softener, hot water. They have an extra large tank. And they even put a drain in here. All right, let's go check out the pool and the other garage. So there's actually another door in this garage that leads back into the kitchen. And so there's like a little pantry back here. Same counters, real nice setup. You also have a little beer fridge and a big pantry. All right, now let's go check out the pool and the RV garage. All right, so you have the double doors out to the backyard. Pool area has a huge oversized covered patio with can lights, integrated speakers, TV, nice turf everywhere. So before we check out the pool, we're gonna go check out the garage real quick. They have a huge fire pit. It's on propane. Very private back here. So you have another bathroom, like a pool bathroom, and then access to the RV garage right here. All right, so you have your RV garage is 60 feet deep, a 14-foot door, 14.5 feet wide. You have full hookups with your water. There's a dump. It's also pre-wired for mini split units as well. And there's also another owner's closet in the back that you lock out so the renters can't access it. So it's another nice little space. So you have your little pool bathroom, same quartz counters. It does have a toilet here behind the door. All right, so you have a really killer backyard pool setup with water features, travertine decking all the way. A quartz finish plaster, little turf areas. So the pool and spa are heated with a propane tank. Got your pool equipment. propane tanks behind that little pony wall there. So they do have cameras throughout the whole house, as it is, again, a very successful vacation rental. Huge hot tub. It's got the travertine coping on there as well. It's got dual jets. Looks like LED lights. Very private. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video, the walkthrough of the house over here on Park Court. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can see all the listing pictures, current price, and availability. Again, this one's used as a vacation rental, so it can be purchased completely turnkey with all the furnishings. It was just reduced to $1.275. If you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.